Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 861 new aftermarket solutions, including many that simplify repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. Don't let rusted spring mounts leave you flat. These OE Fix replacement spring mounts for Dodge Ram pickups can be installed in place of the originals when they rust away, avoiding the need to replace the entire axle assembly. Simply grind off the remnants of the old mounts and weld these new ones in place. They're pre-finished in a weldable primer requiring no special prep for installation. Multi-piece CV boots are a convenient and cost-effective way to fix an exposed CV joint without having to remove the axle from the vehicle. Earlier versions of this kind of boot were more of a temporary solution, but today's adhesive technology makes this type of repair even more secure and permanent than ever before, forming a watertight bond in just seconds after making contact. This new two-piece neoprene CV boot kit includes everything needed to make a complete repair on a wide range of vehicles. Puddle lamps are a great safety and convenience feature, until they burn out. These new replacement lamps for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles use LEDs instead of the original equipment incandescent bulbs for better illumination and a longer lifespan. No modifications required to install them. Just plug them in and enjoy brighter, more reliable light. A broken transmission cable can leave you stranded unexpectedly. This replacement cable for 2007 to 2010 Jeep Wranglers features stronger materials than the original equipment part for a longer service life and greater reliability. It's a direct fit otherwise, requiring no special tools or hardware to install. Work vans see a lot of abuse, and perhaps no part sees more of it than the driver's seat. We produced this seat bottom cushion for Ford Econoline vans with a new steel frame, steel support springs, and a new molded foam cushion, and then upholstered it to match the original interior. It's a quick, easy way to restore the appearance and comfort of these hard-working vehicles. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 66 drive shaft assemblies, more than 20 replacement oil pans, and 14 new transmission oil cooler lines for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. You can also check out our new product feed page anytime. Thanks for watching. Join us next month to see our latest new innovative solutions.